Don't be doing that. Young and tender. Look at that gorgeousness. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. Check on my seedlings out here. See how they're doing. Okay, so the last update, the green salad bowl had not germinated yet. So as you can see, we have some germination here. Slowly but surely, they're waking up. The giant Caesar's doing excellent, amazing. Remember, we replanted the grocery store spring onions. They sprung right on up. Remember how small they were? Yeah, here's some of the other ones too. Oh, there's a little seedling baby there. The butter crunch. I'm whispering a little bit because the dogs were sleeping and I didn't want to wake them and have to listen to all of the barking. I just wanted to come out here real quick and then head right back indoors. Oh, that hosta's looking really nice. Got a few yellow leaves here. I'll just pull those out. It's loving this cooler weather. It does well in shade. Lemon balm, but then again, well, it's flowering, so maybe we'll get some seeds from the lemon balm, but I don't need any more, and it overwinters well. The mums are not liking all of this rain. I was not planning on staying out here, but I guess since we're here, let's go ahead and roll with it. Definitely one of my favorites. Peas here. Hopefully we get some. I left the tomato plant here. I don't know if we'll get any tomatoes. I leave it here for a while just to see what it does. Here's another one here. We've got some flowers. Oh, look, a small little piece of fruit. We just might get a tomato. Oh, look at the leisure pepper. I hope we can get more, but I'll take the 2. Yes, there's hope. We've got a couple more weeks. We may be able to get some fruit. We'll see. That's me. Oh boy. I've got tomatoes to harvest. The leaves are dying back on this tomato plant, but look at all the fruit. I think this was a bad one. Oh no, it's a good one. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and take these in. You know how it is. I'm about to head out. So I didn't want to harvest anything yet, but you know how it is. When you don't get it, when you see it, that's when stuff happens. It's beautiful. These aroma tomatoes, beautiful. That's gonna be really nice in a salad or a stir-fry dish. Love it, love it. I'll come back for those. Oh, look at that. Gorgeousness. Here's another tomato plant. Got a flower there. Oh, look at this, you guys. I've got pet hair all over me and everything. Yes, I am a cat lady, dog lady. Mrs. Dr. Doolittle. Remember when we planted those Asian greens together? Let's show you the results. Bada boom, bada bang, look. We planted tatsoi, we planted mikahili, cabbage, we planted, and we also planted the Chinese celery. So I'm seeing a lot of green bits out here. In the world, I was about to take off running right after I started hitting. Swing, 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 pop, 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 pop. In the world, that thing all up on my back and neck. Don't be doing that. Creepy. Ooh la la, look at the Sugar Rush Peach. As far as the ripening goes, man, I feel like they've been this color for weeks now. Come on now. I just love the tropical look that they bring. More pepper flowers, more peppers. See, I'm waiting for them to turn this color here. Now, yes, I can eat them at this stage, but I want them at this yellow color. Well, they're going to go from that yellow to an orange. You can see the orange color coming in there around the stem. Now, if it gets too crazy out here, I will snatch them up. Lunchbox red peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and take these young and tenders. I'm going to leave the green ones. Let those continue to ripen. I'm going to take this one. I'll leave that one for now. But I will take these. Nasturtium is doing okay. Here's an okra. This is what I want. Young and tender, baby. You know how I like them. Young and tender. Okay, this is kale. Kale is coming along. Nice, nice, nice. All right, my husband's waiting for me. I gotta go, so we will continue this later. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me grab this stuff. While I'm still harvesting a few summer veggies, it's really time to start thinking about the fall garden, transition the garden into a fall veggie making machine. Now, just because the summer is over, that doesn't mean that we have to stop growing. If you live in Maryland Zone 7B like I do, you may be asking yourself, what can I grow in the fall? You can grow anything in the cabbage family like broccoli, cabbage, kale, cauliflower, collard greens, kohlrabi, radishes, turnips, mustards, lettuce, and cilantro. And don't forget all of those wonderful Asian stir-fry greens such as tatsoi and pat choy. And this is the perfect time to bury those kitchen scraps in the soil for healthy, nutrient-rich soil come spring. Let's get those starts planted, put some seeds in some soil. While you're at it, go ahead and bury your garlic cloves. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.